The Federal Hocking Lancers traveled to South Gallia and dominated on every side of the ball against the Rebels. And their effort can be summarized in one word: toughness. What's up, Hardwood Nation? I'm Federal Hocking lead reporter Alex Porter, and the Lancers look to keep the train rolling as they took on the Rebels. Straight out of the gate, the Lancers put the pedal to the metal. A mix of a full court press and zone defenses allowed Federal Hocking to force turnovers and get several steals. Quinton Basom and Hunter Smith led the Lancers with 3 steals apiece. Smith also added 18 points, a team high. One difference in the game was the rebounding, as Federal Hocking snatched 28 total boards. Elijah Lucas was the big man on the glass as he grabbed 6 for the Lancers. But above all, the biggest difference in the game was how the Lancers came out in the third quarter. A 14-0 run coming out at halftime put the game out of reach for the Rebels. A large part to the offensive success for the Lancers could be attributed to the bench. Head coach Jonathan Thompson highlights the importance of the bench to his team.
Our bench played really well. I love it when we can get a lot of minutes where they contribute. I mean, not only on the offensive end, but the defensive end. When you get that kind of thing flowing, I like our chances.
As Federal Hocking was causing havoc for the full 32 minutes, it allowed them to pull away with a 65-42 victory over the South Gallia Rebels. And with that win, the Lancers will move to 10-2 on the season, 7-1 in the TVC-Hocking, heading into their matchup on Friday against the Wahama White Falcons. Make sure to follow all of our social medias at Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat at Hardwood Heroes and woub.org/heroes. This has been Alex Porter reminding you to be heroic.